I received the Dremel 3D 45 printer as a Christmas gift and I must say I absolutely love it. I've created several models specifically for my whole-scale model railroad layout. It has made building things so much easier and the printer is not hard to use at all. If you are looking for a good 3D printer, I recommend getting this one. I am reviewing this from a user with zero 3D printer experience prior to receiving this printer. I was afraid this was going to be too advanced to even use. I can safely say that you can go from rival to printing in less than an hour. Setup was easy. The printer comes with everything you need, including 2 rolls of filament, USB drive with print files, cat cable, glue sticks, extruder plunger, and instructions. It also comes with both a very good user manual and a quick start guide that are both actually useful. Using the quick start guide, I was able to set up the printer, connect to my network, get the token I needed to set up my 3D Print OS account to print from my computer and start my first print, all within an hour. I am not sure what the complete capabilities are and will leave that to people with actual technical skills to really get into, as I am mostly just blindly plunging my way into the hobby. I've attached pictures of the smallest item I've been able to print so far, roughly 2.5 inches tall. I have no issues with any of the included STL files included. Any others you find online may require some trial and error. Updated, I've printed some miniatures that are 28mm, roughly 2 inches with pretty good detail. Pros: everything included that you need to print. Easy setup and install, simple and effective UI on the printer. Printer recognizes filament and provides recommendations, hints and warnings. The latter can be switched off. 3D Printer OS, I count this as both a pro and placed it in the con group. Once you work though its UI, it is pretty great. It gives you access to a number of apps as well, which allows you to move and position and manipulate your STL files before printing. It isn't as powerful as FreeCAD or the like, but makes printing free STL files you download much easier. Cons: from a newbie perspective, 3D Printer OS, I don't count this as a con exactly, but I found the interface as a complete novice to be less than intuitive. It required some extra research, but that is part of the hobby. I do not know enough about 3D printing, so say if the site Dremel uses to print is good or bad. For my purposes, now having played with it for a few days, I am comfortable with it. Token for registration. Click link in description for more reviews.